If your GMC Acadia won't start, the issue usually ranges from a simple battery drain to a faulty starter motor. Over a third of starting issues are caused by aged batteries or corroded terminals that can't deliver enough cranking amps. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to identify exactly why your Acadia is stuck in the driveway. Before touching any components, ensure the vehicle is safe and verify your battery and key fob are actually functional. If you hear a single sharp click when turning the key, your starter motor is likely the primary suspect. If the engine cranks but won't fire, you are likely looking at a fuel delivery or ignition timing problem. Simple electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but mechanical failures like the starter often require a shop visit. While a battery is a cheap fix, more complex components like the fuel pump can be quite expensive on the Acadia. If the basics look good, use an OBD-I scanner to see if the computer is reporting any specific sensor failures. You only need a few basic tools to perform 90% of these diagnostic steps yourself. Remember to start with the easiest fixes first before assuming you have a major mechanical failure. Check those battery connections today and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides to keep your Acadia running smooth.